Well, folks, the heat wave just continues to roll on across our area with temperatures close to 100 degrees, in fact, over 100 in many locations, and with extremely high dew points. Right now at Seneca, Missouri, at Indigo Sky Casino and Resort, a nice sunset out there, and it was a pretty nice day as far as the clouds and the blue sky, but it allowed the temperatures to really soar. 99 was the high today after starting out at 80 degrees for a low, if you really want to call 80 degrees a low. And the records are 103 and 53, and we're about 9 inches behind so far for rainfall, and it looks like we're going to get more severe as we go over the week and into the days and weeks to come in the long range. It doesn't look like a big chance of rain anytime soon, unfortunately. Excessive heat warnings are in effect for southwestern Missouri, southeastern Kansas. This goes until 10 o'clock on Friday evening. And of course, Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas will be added on a daily basis. Temperatures right now are still pretty warm. 89 in Joplin, 88 in Carthage, 88 in Miami, 87 in Yates Center as well as Sedan. Meanwhile, it's 83 degrees over there in cool Monette. Our dew points, they're still up, generally in the mid to upper 70s with a few 80s thrown in. Look at the dew point in Veneta, 85. And when you factor in the temperature, it just feels really yucky out there. Dew point tracker, basically it's above soupy. That's how much water is in the atmosphere. In fact, we're starting to see some patchy fog develop. Right now, if you take a look at the temperature and the dew point and you average them out, this is what it feels like. 104 in Commerce, 110 still right now in Veneta. And that's because of that very high dew point, 97 in Carthage and 92 over there in Mount Vernon for some of the coolest readings. And then tomorrow, the heat is definitely going to be back with temperatures feeling like 116 in Miami, 113 in Anderson, 118 in Grove and Veneta. So the heat just continues to go on, and right into Thursday with temperatures feeling like 110 plus across a large part of the area, and that continues into Friday with a little bit of a relief, with a little bit more cloud cover. It'll still feel like in the 100s, but at least not 115, 117 degrees out there. Rainfall chances are going to be pretty low over the next 36 hours, and it's all because of this big dome of high pressure that's basically been sitting over us for the last several days. Now here's the remnants of Harold. Now watch what happens with Harold. The remnants goes to the west and then up and around and back on the edges of this upper level high, and some of that moisture from Harold will actually sneak its way back into our area as we go into the weekend, and that's when we're going to see the chances of rain go up and also the temperatures start to come down. So the heat wave is almost over. We just have to hang on for a few more days. Temperatures in the mid 70s tonight, and then tomorrow, again, temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100, probably low 100s in southeastern Kansas. And then Thursday morning, we're going to see lows in the 70s once again, and then Thursday afternoon, repeat of tomorrow with temperatures at or above 100 across the area. And then as we go into Friday morning, lows in the 70s and maybe even a few upper 70s. Over the next 7 days, Friday looks to be the last big day of the heat. And then the weekend arrives with a chance of showers and storms, a low chance at this point. But look at temperatures. At least they're going to be going back down into the 80s, which is typically a little bit below normal for this year or for this time of year. So that's an improvement, right?
I can't wait to get to normal, but first we got to get through these alert days.
Yes, 3 more days and then it's over.
All right, thanks.